It's July 13th. We're just taking a shot at the garden here. You can see we've come a long way since mid-April. A lot of really fun things coming in. One thing that we noticeably just did here is to take the end of the garden and sort of square it up, make a nice sort of finished end to it, add in some perennial flowers. Here you can see the tomatoes. I think it's really neat to look at this end here and see some flowers. I mean, this is in no way a farm. This is a garden. It's our culinary garden for the restaurant. And sometimes I like just to come out and, even if I'm not working in the garden, just to sit here and sort of look at the beauty of it. Think back to how it really was just a big patch of dirt and rocks a couple months ago, and now we have all these beautiful plants, some tomatoes and melons and cucumbers. Just pulled some German butterball potatoes out today. Actually, this is the first row, and we move on. We got some baby lima beans and some corn. We had about 2 inches of rain last night, overnight, pretty quickly, and it knocked down a good portion of the corn. So I went back by hand and knocked all of the water off of it and all the weight. Tried to reset the corn. Hopefully we'll get some good sun today and it'll set back up. But you can see the rows are looking pretty good. Obviously this took about 45 minutes to go through and really dust everything off and get it back and set up. We got some nice sunflowers in the end, and again the borage. But I think what's really neat to look at here is just the beauty of it. You know, the beauty of the things growing. Put some nice flowers, some color on the end, but really you could just stand here for hours, different times of the day, and watch the way the sun hits the plants. And it's really special. I mean, it sort of goes back to the philosophy that we have also at the restaurant. Things are well cared for, and all the small steps are taken all along the way. You're going to end up with a good product. So it's something that the same philosophy we try and follow here at the garden. Go through and make sure that it's weed free. Make sure that it's really something pretty for people to look at. And I think it is. You know, I do. I have a habit of coming out here and just sitting. It's really peaceful. It's also really beautiful, and then it's neat to think that, you know, we're going to be pulling these vegetables in and working with them in the restaurant. It's just a really, really great feeling. So this is where we are. It's July 13th, one day short of Bastille Day.